This journey with all of you has been an absolutely wild ride. And we got some announcements that I'm going to be sharing near the middle to end of this video. So definitely stay tuned for that. But I just want to say thank you to all of you who have been watching our channel, subscribing, commenting. This literally has been, number one, a labor of love, and it's given us back, me personally, so much more than we ever thought that it would. I started making videos on YouTube years and years ago as a way to actually educate other life and annuity agents on, the best way to offer life insurance to their clients, making sure that the clients are getting the best bang for their buck and, not prioritizing themselves in the transaction, which unfortunately a lot of life insurance agents are absolutely guilty of still to this day, even though we've been banging that drum for years now. And so over the course of the last 7 years, it started out as just educational videos for life insurance agents. And then clients started reaching out and saying, hey, I saw your video. I feel like you know what you're talking about, and can I work with you? And so that was 2018 when we first started getting those types of messages. Fast forward, this has become a huge ecosystem for us, and we've grown over the years. And you've probably seen some of the growth in our channel and in our content over the years. So just kind of like behind the scenes. So I started doing this on my own, and then I partnered up with my best friend who's Aaron Vincent, and you've seen him on the channel here and there. We've hired people, we've added to the team. And as we've hired and added to the team, and as more and more of you have been asking us for specific pieces of content or specific advice around more than just life insurance, whether it's annuities, whether it's retirement planning, whether it's money management, we've expanded our set of services. And so Aaron and I, years ago, decided, we want to be certified financial planners. So we studied and sat and went to classes for that test. We're both certified financial planners at this point. And our product offering expanded when that happened. But it has clouded or muddied the water of this channel. This is Cash Value Life Insurance Reviews. And I'm sure you've seen, we're doing all kinds of different content now. We brought in Craig and we do the show and we talk about, different financial planning tips. And we just realized really today, we sat down as a leadership team and we said, is Cash Value Life Insurance Reviews still Cash Value Life Insurance Reviews? And the answer is it's not. It's a whole lot more than that now. But unfortunately, it has kind of muddied the water and it's made it not super clear. And so that brings me to some of the announcements that I just want to lay out to all of you. We have other brands that we actually do business under. And right now, we've just kind of thrown everything at Cash Value Life Insurance Reviews, and we're going to stop doing that. So you're actually going to see a bunch of the show videos that we've done. We're going to take all of those down. So the show, gone. It's gone from this channel. We're actually going to be moving it to its own channel. Same with any portfolio reviews that we've done. Gone. We're not going to be doing that anymore on this channel. This channel is going to be strictly life insurance content because that's what it's supposed to be. And so if you've enjoyed our other content, I want to say thank you. We're still going to be doing all of that. You're just going to find it in a different spot, which means if you want to continue to get notified for some of those other videos like the show or like anytime we do portfolio review or tips on money management or retirement planning, all that is going to be found on a different channel. Now, hopefully this makes your experience better. Hopefully it makes your experience more streamlined and it makes our page easier to navigate. So let me break down the channels that we do have so that you will know where to go for the type of content that you like. Of course, Cash Value Life Insurance Reviews being the channel that you're on right now. That is going to be life insurance only. We have Retire ATL, which is our local brand where we post clips from our radio show that we do here. We also post some clips that are kind of cheesy that we do for TV. So that's going to be under the Retire ATL brand. That's also going to cover like general financial planning. We also then have Risk in Retirement. Now, Risk in Retirement is most likely going to host the show and other financial planning content that the compliance department doesn't like for whatever reason. So we'll have those 3 brands set up so that you can subscribe to those channels if you want that specific content. But I just want to say a big thank you sincerely from me and my family and the whole team here to all of you who've been watching our channel for so long. We wouldn't do this if you didn't watch. And the second that you all say we're no longer providing value, we feel like we're failing at our job. So a big thank you from me and the team and my family to you. Hopefully this move, making things easier, more streamlined, will only further, serve you in a better and better way. Anyway, keep checking out our videos and we'll see you around.